In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a meeting in Microsoft Teams through a link. Connecting to a Teams meeting using a link is a straightforward process whether you have an existing Microsoft account or are joining as a guest. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily join your upcoming meetings without a hitch. First, let's talk about the meeting link itself. Typically, you'll find this link in your email, chat, or maybe a direct message. It's the key that allows you to access your meeting room. So once you have this link, you're halfway there. So what do you do once you receive it? Simply tap on the link and that's your first step toward joining the meeting. Tapping the link will prompt your device to open the Microsoft Teams app. If you already have the app installed, it should open automatically and start loading the meeting interface. This seamless transition is designed to get you into your meeting swiftly without any need for technical know-how. Just make sure your Teams app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Now, if you're a guest without a Microsoft account, don't worry, Teams has got you covered. Once the app opens, you'll see an option that says Join as a Guest. Select this option and you'll be on your way to joining the meeting. If you do have a Microsoft account, you can simply sign in using your login credentials, which provides you with the full suite of features offered by Teams. For those joining as a guest, after tapping Join as a Guest, you'll be prompted to enter your name. This name is how you'll appear in the meeting to others, so be sure to type in a recognizable name. After entering your name, the next step is tapping Join Meeting. This action will place you into the meeting room where you'll be able to see other participants and join the conversation. It's really as simple as that. Whether you're joining from a mobile device or desktop, the steps remain the same, ensuring consistency and ease of use. Just remember that if you plan to attend more meetings in the future, having a Microsoft account can enhance your experience with additional features like calendar integration and chat history. And there you have it. Connecting to a Teams meeting through a link is quick and easy. With these steps, you'll be able to enter any meeting without any hassle. We hope this guide has been helpful, and now you're ready to join your meetings with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to support or check out other tutorials. Happy meeting!